Alright, let's get Capcut up and running on your Mac. Here's how to download and install Capcut using the DMG file from the official website. First, fire up your favorite web browser, Safari, Chrome, whatever you vibe with. Head over to the official Capcut website by typing capcut.com. Once you're on the home page, look for a download button and click it. Your browser will show the download progress, so just chill for a sec while it does its thing. Once the download's done, head to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. You'll see a file named something like capcutinstaller.dmg. Double-click it to open it up. This mounts the DMG, and a new window should pop up with the Capcut app icon inside. It's like opening a virtual disk. Double-click it, and it will run a Capcut online installer. This will download the necessary files. Depending on your internet connection, it could take a while. One quick note. Capcut needs macOS 10.14 or later, so make sure your Mac's up to date. Also, you'll need about 2 gigabytes of free disk space for the install, but it's pretty lightweight otherwise. If you're in a place like India where Capcut's website might be blocked, you need a VPN to access it, but let's assume you're all clear there unless you say otherwise. Whenever the downloading is done, it will automatically be opened. And there you have it, folks. Capcut is now ready to roll on your Mac, and you're all set to create some epic videos. Whether you're crafting a viral TikTok or a polished vlog, you've got the tools to make it shine. If you hit any snags or want tips on using Capcut's coolest features, just let me know. For now, go unleash your inner filmmaker, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.